how you been, PeaRoy?
Well, I've been pretty good, Mr. Rick.
Been doing any reading?
Well, yeah. I'm reading some joke books.
Joke book, huh?
Uh-huh.
Tell me one of your jokes.
All right. Well, let's see here. One time there was this old gal, and little young'un, and she was time for report card. She come home from school, and she give a report card to her daddy there, and he looked at her, and she done made A's and B's, done real good. And so he noticed down there at the bottom, the teacher done wrote a little letter to him and says, Henrietta, she's doing real good in school. She's making A's and B's. She's gonna be real good, you know, except she's got one little problem.
Yeah.
Says she's talking too much. She wrote down there at the bottom, said, look here, I think I got a solution to this problem. So I'm gonna try it with your permission. So he goes, well, I'll sign this card. And so he signed the card, and he said, I'm gonna write her a little note. He wrote down there at the bottom of it, look here, I don't know what you're gonna try, but if you will, how about letting me know if it works or not? I'm gonna try it on her mama.
That's pretty funny there, big guy.
That's pretty good, ain't it? Yeah, I thought it was real funny.
You got nothing?
Well, let's see here if I got nothing. Yeah, I got one more. Let's see here. One time there was this little midget feller, and he walked into the library and walked up to the library and looked up at her and said, look here, have you got a book on irony? And she looked at him and said, yeah, it's over there on the top shelf. You get it? Top
Yeah,
shelf.
I get it.
Okay, yeah.
He's a little feller. Irony. Yeah, I get it. Top shelf. That's funny. Well, I know a couple. Yeah, you want to hear it?
Yeah, I do. Come on, let's hear it.
All right, then. Well, one time there was this man, he was a millionaire. He had a big old mansion with a big old a swimming pool in the backyard.
A swimming pool.
And so he decided to have he wanted a hobby, so he started collecting crocodiles.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
crocodiles. So he filled up his swimming pool with crocodiles.
Oh, good.
And there's probably 100 of them or so in there.
My.
And so his daughter was a teenager, and she decided one day that she wanted to have a party.
Okay.
So she had a big party in the backyard where the pool was, and the daddy come out there and said, hey, look here, all you boys. I'll give you $1 million or the hand of my daughter if one of y'all will jump in that swimming pool and swim across to the other side. And all of a sudden, a big splash happened.
Oh.
And there's this fella, and he just getting it, man. He is getting it across there, and he's hollering and screaming, just hollering and screaming, and he finally gets to the other side. You know, everybody's agging him on. Come on, go on, Leroy, go. And all this, he finally gets to the other side. And he gets up on the other side, and the millionaire comes up to him and puts his hand around him and said, buddy,
yeah.
He said, I would have never believed you'd have made it across there. He said, I'm going to give you that $1 million. But do you really love my daughter enough to do this? He said, look, I don't want her hand in marriage. I don't want your $1 million. It ain't about the money. It's all about whoever that is that pushed me in there.
Oh. Wow, that's
Yeah, somebody pushed me in, I'd be upset too, wouldn't you?
Oh, yeah, I'd be upset.
Yeah, I got one more.
Oh, well, that's it.
This didn't really happen though, but my wife,
Okay.
she was all upset at me one time because she said I just ruined her birthday.
Ruined her birthday?
No, I didn't get it either.
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was her birthday.
Oh, I bet I know that.
I know. All right, I'll talk to you later, PeaRoy. That's good.
All right, baby. I said, good Lord.